Okay, I just stumbled upon these machine learning cheat sheets from Stanford-cs-229 course, and they're packed with insights.
Wait, cheat sheets for a whole course. That sounds super handy. What do they cover?
They summarize all the key concepts from the course, like supervised and unsupervised learning. It's like having a condensed version of the entire curriculum.
That's genius. So you can just pull it out when you need a refresher. I love how practical that is.
Exactly, and they also have tips and tricks for training models. I mean, who wouldn't want that in their back pocket?
Right, but does it guarantee success, though? I wonder if relying too much on these tricks can backfire.
That's a good point. It might lead to overfitting if you're not careful, but the cheat sheets help in understanding the fundamentals first.
Totally. It's like they're bridging that gap between theory and practice. But are these cheat sheets one size fits all?
Not really. They also have refreshers in related topics like probabilities and statistics, which are crucial for ML.
Makes sense. If you don't grasp the math behind it, how can you apply those concepts effectively?
Exactly, and they even compiled everything into an ultimate cheat sheet. It's like the Swiss Army knife of ML resources.
Wow, a super cheat sheet. That's ambitious. But does it get too confusing with so much info in one place?
That's a risk, yes, but it's designed to be navigable. I think the visual aids help break down complex ideas.
Good visuals can make a huge difference. But I wonder how they ensure the information stays accurate.
They mention contributions from experts in the field, but ongoing updates are key. Nothing worse than outdated info.
Absolutely. And considering how fast the AI field evolves, that's a real challenge.
Right? There's always something new popping up. They even have translations available in multiple languages.
That's awesome. It opens up access for non-English speakers. But how do they maintain quality across languages?
Good question. They encourage community contributions for translations, which can be hit or miss.
I get that. Collaborative efforts can both enrich and dilute quality. It's a double-edged sword.
Exactly, but it's great that they're trying to make knowledge more accessible.
For sure, it's refreshing to see educators leverage technology to bridge gaps.
And speaking of gaps, have you seen how they highlight prerequisites for the course? That's such a smart move.
It really is. It sets students up for success. But what if someone struggles with the prerequisites?
That's a potential issue. It could discourage learners if they feel underprepared.
Right, maybe they could incorporate more foundational resources to help those students.
That's a great suggestion. A gentle onboarding process could really enhance the learning experience.
I can see that. It's like building a strong foundation before constructing a complex building, right?
Exactly, without a solid base, everything can crumble later on.
And let's not forget the importance of practice. You can read all the cheat sheets, but applying that knowledge.
Totally, that's where real learning happens, but these resources can guide the practice.
So in a way, they serve as a roadmap for learners navigating the ML landscape.
Yes, a roadmap is a perfect analogy, but do you think it might create over-reliance on such resources?
That's a possibility. Balancing reliance on cheat sheets with deeper study might be key.
Definitely, it's about using them to supplement learning rather than replace it.
Well said. And with the fast-paced nature of ML, staying up to date could be a full-time job.
For sure, but these cheat sheets could certainly make that job a bit easier.
No doubt. I guess the main takeaway is that these resources are helpful, but they come with caveats.
Exactly, it's all about using them wisely. So what do you think? Are cheat sheets the future of learning?
I think they're definitely a part of it. But the conversation about depth versus breadth in learning will always be relevant.
Agreed, it's that balance of being informed and deeply understanding, such an interesting dynamic.